Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on print by object in Bambu Studio. So look at the left side settings panel and make sure that you have advanced toggle switched on. Then select your model and then go to the others tab. Scroll down to the print sequence section. Print section. So if you don't find it, as I do, what else we need to change is here in process from object change to global. And right here in special mode, we will see print sequence. And now we can change by layer to by object. And yeah, what we are going to do next is just slice plate at the top right to check your workflow. Um, Yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.